Welcome to the quick start guide for your Betacom DAB radio. In this video we'll show you what's included in the box and how to set up the radio and how to use the main controls. First, let's take a quick look at the controls. On the front of the radio you will have the P button for presets, the plus and minus buttons for volume, and the power button, which also is used to switch between DAB and FM. On the right side of the radio you'll find a toggle dial, which can be scrolled up and down and pressed to confirm selections. You'll also find the lock switch and the micro USB charging port on the side. By default, the lock switch is in the unlocked position. The lock switch is designed to help prevent accidental setting changes during use. For some settings, such as display duration or factory reset, the lock switch needs to be pushed into the up position first. After using this settings menu, slide the lock position back down to unlock position so the radio controls work as normal. Now let's see what's included in the box. You'll find in the Betacom DAB radio a micro USB charging cable, a lithium battery, the user manual and quick start guide, and a guarantee booklet. To install the battery, open the yellow plastic battery cover on the back of the radio. Insert the lithium battery, making sure the two terminals are correctly aligned. Once the battery is in place, refit the battery cover securely. Next, let's charge the radio. The radio comes with a micro USB charging cable. Plug the micro USB end into the charging port of the radio on the right hand side, then plug the USB-A end into the USB power adapter, which is not included. Plug the adapter into a wall socket and the radio will begin charging. Before using the radio, fully extend the telescopic aerial to help achieve the best possible reception. For the initial setup, place the radio in an open area with clear access to signal. Outdoors or near a window is ideal. Once the radio is fully charged and the aerial is fully extended, press and hold the power button to turn the radio on. For first time use, the radio will automatically start scanning for available DAB stations. To perform a full DAB scan, make sure the radio is in DAB mode. Then press and hold the toggle dial on the right hand side of the radio. The radio will perform a full scan for available DAB stations. To switch between DAB and FM, briefly press the power button until the mode you want is shown on the display. When DAB appears, the radio is in DAB mode. When FM appears, the radio is in FM mode. To select a DAB station, make sure the radio is in DAB mode. Scroll the toggle dial up or down to browse through the available stations. When you reach the station you want to listen to, press the toggle dial once to confirm your selection. To adjust the volume, press the plus or minus button on the front of the DAB radio. Press plus to increase the volume or minus to reduce it. To view DLS information, press the toggle dial whilst listening to the DAB station. DLS is an extra text information broadcast by some DAB stations. This will include the program name, song title, artist, news or station updates. To seek an FM station, make sure the radio is in FM mode. Push the toggle dial up or down and hold it in that position for around 2 seconds. Once the search starts, release the dial. The radio will automatically seek and stop at the nearest available FM station. To store a DAB or FM preset, first tune to the station you want to save. Then press and hold the P button on the front of the radio for around 2 seconds. Use the toggle dial to scroll to the preset position where you want to store the station. Choose an empty preset slot if available. Press the toggle dial once to confirm and save the station. To set the backlight display duration, first slide the lock switch up to the locked position. Then press and hold the P button and the toggle dial together for around 2 seconds to enter the settings menu. Use the toggle dial to choose your preferred backlight duration. A shorter duration helps save battery power. Press the toggle dial once to confirm your selection. After changing this setting, slide the lock switch back down to the unlock position so the radio controls work as normal. To factory reset the device, first slide the lock switch up to the lock position. Then press and hold the toggle dial for around 2 seconds, enter the settings menu. Use the toggle dial to scroll down to factory reset, then press the toggle dial once to start the reset process. After using this settings menu, slide the lock position back down to unlock position so the radio controls work as normal. Finally, to switch off the radio, press and hold the power button for around 2 seconds.